Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Receipt Bank for automated expense categorization, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Receipt Bank website. Click on the Sign Up button if you are a new user. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Locate the Settings option in the menu. Click on Settings to open your account configurations. Next, select Integration from the Settings menu. Choose your accounting software from the list provided. Follow the prompts to link Receipt Bank with your accounting software. Once linked, return to the dashboard. Now, click on the Documents tab. Upload a sample receipt to test the system. After uploading, wait for the document to process. Once processed, check the categorization of your expenses. If the categorization is not correct, adjust it manually. Make sure to save any changes you've made. Next, navigate to the Rules section in the settings. Here, you can set up rules for automatic categorization. Click on Add Rule to create a new rule. Define the criteria for the rule, such as vendor name or amount. Select the appropriate category for the transactions. Save the rule to implement it. Return to your dashboard to see the new rule in action. Test the rule by uploading new receipts that fit the criteria. Monitor the auto-categorization to ensure everything works correctly. Adjust the rules as necessary based on your observations. Finally, familiarize yourself with the mobile app for on-the-go expense tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.